you know that? I didn't.
I don't think I would do that. I don't even have tampons. I don't even have a period anymore.
You're that old?
No, my birth control stopped my period years ago. I haven't had a period since I got on Depo.
Oh, Nicole had a period for a month and she's on Depo. You're not recording it. I swear to God, I will kill you.
Sucks.
Oh my goodness. My child's sick.
Walk away.
Nope, I'm watching.
You're gonna make me throw up.
You gonna watch?
I know, I'm sorry, my neighbors. You're not. Put your phone away. Which side did you want? Second.
Unless you want it a little bit higher. Do you like it right there?
That's good.
Yes. Do you want to hold my hand?
I have this in my hand.
I'm all shaky.
I'm afraid that I'm going to break my
Why are you shaky?
I don't know.
No laughing.
Oh, okay. Whenever you're ready. I'm all shaky because of you.
Oh my God. You guys are scaring the shit out of me, dude.
We're good. Okay? The clamps are probably the worst thing. If that helps. Okay. Not even. Do you want me to count? Fine. Yeah. Okay. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3.
Is that right?
Oh.
Stop smiling, it's gonna hurt. You alright? Breathe. Take a deep breath. Don't stop breathing.
Lou.
Sorry. Okay. Okay, good. No, I screwed up. Got it, I think. Yeah, that's it. Sorry. Oh. There you go.
Let me see. Looks good. Bleeding a little bit. How do you feel?
You guys on your way back or what?
You're dizzy?
Mm-hmm.
Did you eat? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
You just want to keep that on there. You okay?
Oh.
Are you okay?
I'm dizzy.
Well, sit down then. Looks good. You okay?
Okay.
Alright.
The pain's gone.
Alright.
It's numb. It'll be back later. Are you done?
I don't know.